Now it is time for the decision screen. The decision screen is divided into three separate tabs: Diagnosis and Management Options, Amount and Complexity of Data, and the Table of Risk. Each tab displays information respective to the tab name. As we move through the different tabs, Intelicode will be calculating the level for each tab. First, we will start with the Diagnosis and Management Options tab. This tab displays the number of Diagnosis and Management Options sections from the documentation guidelines, both the 1995 and the 1997. Each statement is preceded by a drop-down box. Select the appropriate number or numbers for each statement that accurately represent this encounter. Now turning to the Amount and Complexity of Data tab. This tab displays the Amount and Complexity of Data options sections from the documentation guideline, both the 1995 and the 1997. Each statement is preceded by a checkbox. To select the statements that are correct, simply click on the statement and the checkbox will be checked. To unselect a statement, simply click on the statement again and it will be unselected. Finally, the Risk tab. This tab is further divided into three sections: Presenting Problem or Problems, Diagnostic Procedure or Procedures, and Management Option or Options. If you do not see the risk elements that is applicable, simply right-click anywhere on the screen to add a new risk. The risk element window will open and click on New Risk. Type in the risk element to be added and then choose the level of risk, type of risk, and then click Save and then Close. To select elements for each of the tabs, simply click on the text desired and the text will turn to maroon. Again, to unselect a risk element, simply click it again and it will return to black text. Intelicode will calculate the highest level of risk for each of the three risk element sections. Again, note macros can be added at any time. The notes that you have added on previous screens will continue to show up as you move through the audit. You are now finished with the decision screen.